Let's rage.
I don't know what I just hooked up to, but something. There we go. Little striper. Hey, buddy. These little guys are literally killing my bait right now. There's like literally a school right here, but been having a hard time hooking up to them. So, not too shabby. Yeah, buddy. I'm gonna try to school up on a couple more. See how it goes. Alright guys, so stay tuned. I do catch and release. Let's let this guy go. There he goes. Alright, we've got another one. It's only a little bigger, I can feel the fight. It might be the same size. Maybe about the same. Not giving too much of a fight. There he is. Here he comes. Here he comes. About the same size. Not bad, not bad. Go. Another one down. Yeah, buddy. So we got another. They're definitely hitting, I'm telling you what. So I'm gonna go ahead and give my photos, and I'll bring you guys in to release. Right, stay tuned. Just gotta go. Oh, hello. Hey, he's ready to go back. Got a little splashy there. Here, buddy. See what we can get. See if we can get the big one coming up. It's been good fishing, guys. It's about 4:03 right now in the afternoon. Well, of course. And using anchovies, and what I do is I thread my anchovy and I put a piece of worm on the tip of the hook. And it's pretty effective. It's working pretty good. There's a lot of schools of striped bass right now, so trying to get the big one, guys. Let's see if I can get a double digit. Oh yeah, this one's definitely. Stay tuned. Hopefully bigger. The last one I thought was bigger. Yeah, this one's bigger. This one's actually dragging me out this time. Let's get her in. Of course, we got jet skiers gonna run through. Yeah, this one's bigger. Oh yeah. Here we go, baby. Oh, hello. Here we go. Oh, this one. Hello. Hold on. There we go, YouTube. Another one down. That's 3 today. It's definitely been good fishing. And I am definitely catching and releasing today. Let these bad boys get bigger. Right, ooh, buddy. That's 3. Stay tuned for the release. Oh, come on. Son of a bitch. Ah, come on, baby. Come on. Revive. know, this one might have to go home with me. Come on, baby. There we go. There we go. Come on, girl. Come on, baby. Revive yourself, baby. Trying my best to revive her, guys. She had that hook pretty deep. Did my best to get the hook out without damaging her. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. It's not having it. Come on, baby. Come on, girl. Bounce back. There you go. There you go. Breathe it. Come on, girl. Yeah, I don't know, you two. I think this one's gonna have to go home. Sad day. I'm gonna string her up and take her. I don't think she's gonna bounce back. Come on, baby. There we go. Come on, girl. Come on, girl. Bounce back. Yeah, I think she's done for you guys. What's the matter? Yeah, she's done. Sorry guys, I tried to revive this one, but it's no bueno. She ain't bouncing back. Oh, there we go. Come on. There you go. Come on. Come on, girl. Yeah, she's done. I'm going to string her up. Come on, baby. Bounce back. Yeah, she's done. Sorry, guys. She got hooked pretty bad. You can see her. She's trying to bounce back, but she can't. So, it's a male. See him coming. I'll show you guys how to tell a male between a female. What you do is, see all that? That's how you can tell a difference between a male and a female. You squeeze it, and it'll have its sperm. But yeah, he's done, you guys. He ain't gonna bounce back, so I'm gonna go ahead and string him up, and he'll feed the kids. He'll feed us. So sad day. I really wanted to catch and release all day today, and this one just didn't make it. So stay tuned. I'm gonna stay out for a couple more hours and see what happens.